Click to subscribe to our channel. We're posting dozens of videos monthly, lots of interesting plants, including ones that we know are excellent performers right here in our region. And mixed in the collection, you're also going to see videos of exciting new introductions, many you're not going to see anywhere else. And an example of that is this fantastic variety of Stonecrop. This is Sedum Atlantis, the plant that won Plant of the Year at the Chelsea Flower Show in 2019. Now here's a fabulous variegated Stonecrop that only gets to about 4 to 6 inches high and spreads out to make clumps that are about 10 inches, maybe a foot wide. As you see, it has this wonderful variegated foliage that in the autumn time, when the temperatures cool down, often take on pinkish tinges. That happens also in springtime. And now in early summer, at the tips of the shoots, it also carries little yellow star-shaped flowers that butterflies and pollinating insects will come to visit. But the most interesting thing for me about this particular variety is that it's descended from a species that grows on an island off the coast of Korea. That means that it's really hardy. This is a plant that's hardy to zone 4. It also means that it's a plant that will grow in rocky, gravelly, sandy positions, and it would also be good by the seaside, because in the original native habitat it grows on steep sided slopes, and that's the sort of conditions that this plant likes to grow in a garden situation. So if you're looking to grow this, there's a couple of things that are really important. The first is that it loves to grow in a sunny position. But the second and most important thing of all is that it needs to have really good sharp drainage. So this is a plant to grow in a raised bed, in a rockery, perhaps a bed by the front of a path or driveway. Somewhere we're certainly going to soak up the sunshine, but in really rocky, gravelly positions. It will do very well in those locations and give you lots of really interesting colored variegated foliage that will last the whole season through, right through until the onset of winter time. It is really magnificent plant also for putting into a container. So if you're looking for something to put into, say, a pot by the deck or a patio or by the swimming pool, this would make an excellent plant. Just make sure that the container is really well drained, and maybe mix in some extra sand and gravel to the compost to make sure that it's extra free draining. Discovered by Hortec in Michigan and named, I think, by David McKenzie, the owner there. This is a really fabulous plant with wonderful variegation that I think you're going to really enjoy growing. This is Sedum Atlantis.